Welcome back to our forest. Today I have some new animal friends for you to meet. Are you ready? Yay, let's go! First, meet Zara the zebra.
Hello, everyone. I'm Zara. I love running fast and showing off my black and white stripes.
Next, here's Benny the bear.
Hi, friends. I'm Benny. I love climbing trees and eating sweet honey.
Now, say hello to Kiki the kangaroo.
Hi everyone, I'm Kiki. I love hopping around and carrying my baby in my pouch.
And finally, meet Tilly the turtle.
Hello, friends. I'm Tilly. I move slowly, but I always get where I'm going.
Wow, now we are all together. I'm so happy you met my friends today. Next time, I'll introduce even more animal friends from the forest. Can you guess who they might be? Bye-bye for now, friends. See you soon. Hey guys, did you like our video? Subscribe for more.